Hi guys, today we will be checking out the Bentsai Mini Handheld Portable Printer. It is a stylish, portable and easy to use portable handheld printer that you can utilize for your home or business use. It prints on many kinds of surfaces which we will try out later. The product packaging of the Bentsai B10 Mini Handheld Portable Printer looks really clean and professional. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, you will find one user guide, fitted nicely within the packaging. Also included is a black ink cartridge for using to generate ink for my prints. A USB-C charging cable is provided to allow me to charge up the Bentsai printer, along with the Bentsai B10 printer itself, all fitted neatly in the packaging. Check out the ink cartridge over here. I have it in black, although you can get other color options if you want. There is also an option to get invisible ink. With the invisible ink, you can use it to have it as a tool to verify the authenticity of goods you sell or want to label. Pretty cool, right? The invisible ink can easily insert it into the printer cartridge holder, just slot and print. Here I will print a QR code using the invisible ink. As you see, once the QR code data is transmitted to the printer, I can print it out. The print is not visible to the eye, but if you shine it under UV light, it will become visible. Cool, right? Upon first look of the Bentsai B10 printer, it looks modern, chic and trendy in yellow. The design is good and it's lightweight at 195 grams. There is an ink lid that is magnetic so you can easily close it to prevent any ink from drying up. Now, I will insert the ink cartridge into the printer. It can be done so easily. Just remove the protective plastic covering on the ink cartridge, and slot it into the printer's ink slot. Thereafter, close the lid and power it up. Once the device is powered up, you should notice that the LED indicating lights are brightened. Next, head over to your device's App Store to download the PRT Fox app from the App Store. Download should be quick, and once done, launch the app and sync it to the Bentsai printer. Connect to the printer over Wi-Fi to get data synced on the app. Once done, go back to the printer app to check the status. The device will show the printer's status as green along with the battery percentage of the Bentsai printer. In app, you can custom set your own printing preference, link ink parameters, print quality and more. In app, you can custom set your own data to print, like custom texts, like here I'm trying to type a hello print. Once done, press the printer button and the data should dispatch to the printer. You can also create unique QR and barcodes to get the printer to print it out. Type a link or wording to get it created in a QR code format. Amazing feature. Check out the print quality, just roll and print. The print quality is good. Prints are clear and visible clearly. Printing on the Bentsai printer is seamless and fun. You can use it to print date and timestamp where it can be useful in the manufacturing sector to label a particular batch of goods. There is also group print where you can print multiple labels in one group in sequence. Just select past saved files and print. The printer will print these saved prints of QR codes, barcodes and timestamps simultaneously in sequence, all in one group. Awesome! It prints virtually on any surfaces, including cardboards, wood, ceramics, and more. Just like over here, I printed on a smooth cardboard surface. The ink dries really quickly too and won't fade when rubbed. Overall, I find the Bentsai B10 Mini Handheld Printer a really good innovation in technology. Say bye to troublesome bulky printers when you can have a ease of mind knowing your prints can get done up easily, hassle-free. Find out more about the Bentsai B10 Handheld Mini Printer with the link in description. Thank you for watching.